A cash flow crisis or businesses running out of cash and unable to meet their daily requirements and financial commitments is by far the biggest reason which causes businesses to fail and go bankrupt. But a cash crunch is not the disease. It is only a symptom or the end result of other diseases which are lying inside the body of the business. Join me in my cash flow domination webinar. We will go through the different aspects of cash flow, the journey of cash within your organization, the various reasons that cause the cash crunch. We will also look at my exclusive cash to cash timeline, the exclusive cash map to know where the cash is stuck up inside your organization. I call it the angiogram of the organization. We will also look at other tools which will help you to assess the speed of cash inside the organization and come up with the idea on where the blockages are happening and remove these blockages to ensure a very smooth cash flow and a successful business. So join me in my webinar. Please click on the link below. See you there.